like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make small chocolate gift box. So let's get started. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. So let's get started and make small cute gift box. First we will take a paper. This paper is 12 by 15 semi. Now fold it little bit from here. And apply it on this strip and stick it. And press it. Now fold it in half. And from both the side fold little bit like this way. Now take glue. Now take scissor and cut triangle from here like this way. And from here also. Now open it like this way. Here we can write anything. So I will draw your eyes. Now take 2 pieces of wool and tie here like this way. Now cut the remaining part. I want to give my friend 100 rupees. So I will keep this 100 rupees in this box. So now first I will roll this. And put it inside this box. And tie this end also. And cut the excess. So a cute chocolate box is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.
Alright.